Not until you calm down.
You're gonna make me PA.
PA?
Panic attack.
No, you're gonna give yourself a panic attack. You're doing that. You need to settle down.
You need to let me lift weights. I can do that. Please let me go.
No.
I just want to run wild and free.
No.
Don't you get freedom? I'm a white American.
Someone doesn't like Native Americans.
Apparently.
I'm pooping.
You're pooping? You're right, she is gonna ruin your sheets.
Yeah.
Let me go.
No.
I have hair in my mouth. I have hair in my
Oh,
mouth.
run for it.
Can't take it out of the cold.
No. You do not have hair in your mouth.
Oh, it's in my mouth. Please pick it up. Please get my hair out of my mouth. I can't reach it. Oh, please let me get my hair out of my mouth.
Here, let's stop. Stop.
Can't take you guys seriously anymore.
I know, she goes insane. Hun, stop.
What is she doing now?
I don't know.